Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying access and context so nothing unexpected breaks. Log in with an IAM user that has the necessary permissions. Make sure to assume roles if required. Next, run targeted listing commands or use the console to enumerate EC2, RDS, X, Lambda, EBS, S3, and load balancers. Once done, enable billing alarms and apply tags to identify owners and costs. This establishes safety and traceability before you terminate any active services. Now you focus on compute and persistent storage. Stop EC2 instances and create AMIs plus EBS snapshots so you can restore later. Terminate instances only after snapshots complete. For RDS, take final snapshots and remove read replicas, update any DNS entries. Drain ECS services and stop tasks, then deregister targets from load balancers. Empty S3 buckets and lifecycle delete or export objects as needed. Make sure to check for Glacier archives that block deletion before proceeding. Finish by removing network and identity remnants that continue billing. Release elastic IPs, delete NAT gateways, unused security groups, and any service-linked roles you created. Once done, review the billing console and Cost Explorer for residual charges and orphaned resources. If something still runs, make sure to consult CloudTrail and CloudWatch logs to identify who or what launched it. Then revoke credentials or modify policies as needed. If deletion fails, check resource dependencies and retry after detaching or cleaning associations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.